Ever wake up for school, check the mirror, and wonder why your face looks like it stayed asleep even though you didn't? Don't panic. That's just morning skin. Puffy, dull, oily, confused, completely normal. But with a quick routine, you can go from I just survived my alarm to fresh, clean, and ready for the day in minutes. The first step is washing your face. Use a gentle face wash or simply rinse with water if your skin feels balanced. While you sleep, oil, sweat, and dirt can build up on your skin, so cleansing helps remove all of that and gives your face a clean start. Just don't scrub too hard. Your skin needs kindness, not punishment. After washing, dry your face gently with a clean towel. Press or pat the towel onto your skin instead of rubbing it harshly. Rough rubbing can irritate your skin and leave it looking red. We're aiming for glowing student energy, not angry tomato energy. Now comes moisturizer. A step many people ignore for no reason. Even if your skin feels oily, moisturizer still matters. When skin becomes too dry, it can sometimes create even more oil to compensate. Using a lightweight moisturizer keeps your skin soft, smooth, and comfortable throughout the school day. Apply a small amount to your face and neck so everything stays hydrated. Next is the real hero of skincare, sunscreen. Yes, you need it for school too. It doesn't matter if it's cloudy outside or if most of your day is indoors. Sun exposure still happens while walking outside, during lunch breaks, or even through windows. Use sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher and spread it evenly across your face and neck. This helps protect your skin from tanning, uneven tone, and long-term damage. If your lips feel dry, apply lip balm. Soft lips instantly make your face look fresher and more cared for. Cracked lips can make even the best routine look incomplete, so don't skip this tiny but powerful step. If you have a little extra time, brush your hair neatly, fix your eyebrows, and drink a glass of water. Sometimes the difference between looking tired and looking fresh is just hydration and basic effort. And remember, skincare isn't about chasing perfection. You do not need flawless skin to look pretty or confident. Real skin has texture, pores, and occasional breakouts. The goal is healthy, clean skin that feels good, not fake perfection. The best thing about this routine is how fast it is. In just a few minutes, you can feel more awake, more confident, and more ready to handle classes, homework, and random school chaos. So tomorrow morning, instead of running around stressed and half asleep, give your skin a proper start. A clean face, protected skin, and a little self-care can change your whole vibe for the day. Try it once and notice the difference. And if you want a night skincare routine for schoolgirls too, just ask.